Hi guys, welcome to our video lesson in which we're going to do half of section 4.2, which is adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So in this video, we're just going to do adding and subtracting polynomials because I feel like you've done this before and it should be a pretty simple thing to catch on to. So first, in example 1, we're going to find the sum of the polynomials and we are going to express our answers in standard form. Remember, when we're finding the sum, that is addition. Now, basically, when we're adding polynomials, we just need to combine like terms, but there are some ways that make it more simple to do so. So first, what I would do is write both polynomials in standard form. And you can do that along with step 2 at the same time, which would be to align the like terms. And finally, just simplify and make sure that your answer is in standard form. And it makes it easy to be in standard form if you, in the first step, wrote them both in standard form. So in letter A, I have 4x squared minus x cubed plus 1 plus 5x to the 4th. I'm going to start with that one. To write it in standard form, I need to put the highest exponent first, which would be this 5x to the 4th. So I have 5x to the 4th. And then I have the negative 3x cubed, so minus x cubed. And then I have plus 4x squared. I don't have an x term, so I might just leave like a blank there just in case. And then I'm going to put plus 1. Okay, my next polynomial, I'm just going to put in a different color. I have negative x plus 6x squared plus 3x to the 4th. So basically what I do, just put these terms under their like terms in the other one. So I have 3x to the 4th here. And then I have a positive 6x squared and then a negative x. So really, I can make this like a vertical addition problem and combine like terms. So it makes it pretty simple. So my final answer is going to be a 5x to the 4th plus 3x to the 4th is 8x to the 4th. And then I have minus x cubed plus 4x squared plus 6x squared, 10x squared, and then I just have minus x and plus 1, and that is the sum. Okay, let's do the same thing with letter B. 10x minus 18x cubed plus 6x to the 4th minus 2 plus negative 7x to the 4th plus 5 plus x plus 2x cubed. Alrighty, my first polynomial needs to start with 6x to the 4th. Then I have minus 18x cubed. I don't have a squared term, so I might just leave a space for that in case the other one has one. But then I have plus 10x and then minus 2. Now aligning like terms from the second one, I have negative 7x to the 4th. And then I have plus 2x cubed. No x squared term, I guess. So plus x plus 5. All right, and make this a big addition problem. So I have 6x to the 4th minus 7x to the 4th. So that's going to be a negative x to the 4th. Negative 18x cubed plus 2x squared cubed is negative 16x cubed. I don't have any x squared terms, so I don't need to worry about that space. 10x plus x is 11x, and negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. So that is our sum of that one. Moving on to finding the difference of polynomials. Remember, the difference is when we are subtracting. So basically, when we're subtracting, all we need to do, I'm sure you've heard, subtraction is just adding the opposite or adding the negative. What we need to do is distribute the negative into the second polynomial. And then after you've done that, we add like we did above. So basically, we're just changing these two addition problems, okay? Alrighty, so let's distribute this negative. When we distribute this negative into this polynomial, all the signs will change. So this will be a negative 6x squared plus 9x minus 3 plus 18x cubed. Okay. I'm going to write my first polynomial in standard form. So I'm going to have 12x cubed minus 8x squared plus 5x plus 19. And now I'm going to align like terms from my second polynomial under those. I have 18x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. And now I'm going to add 12x cubed plus 18x cubed is 30x cubed. And a negative 6x squared and a negative 8x squared gives me a negative 14x squared. 5x plus 9x is positive 14x. And 19 and a negative 3 gives me a positive 16. And there's my difference. Okay, last one. Let's distribute our negative and then basically combine like terms. Here we go. Distributing my negative into this polynomial will give me a negative 9 minus 2x squared minus 10x to the 5th. All right, let me write my first polynomial in standard form. Looks like my highest exponent is 5. That's the negative 5x to the 5th. Then I'm going to I have a cubed term, so plus 8x cubed. Then I have minus 4x squared. I don't have an x term, and then I have plus 19. Going to take these, align them with their like terms. So I have a negative 10x to the 5th. I have a negative 2x squared and a negative 9. Adding those together, finally, gives me negative 5x to the 5th and a negative 10x to the 5th, the negative 15x to the 5th. Then I have plus 8x cubed. Negative 4x squared and a negative 2x squared is negative 6x squared, and a 19 minus 9 is a positive 10. And there we have it. Okay, you will be doing multiplication in class tomorrow.